Did you think about it? Oh, I forgot to put this little cleaning thing in the bottom. Okay. And I don't know. I think my wife put that in there. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know how old it is. It might not even be working anymore. But now I have to put the toilet lid back on. You just want to be careful with these things. You don't want to take anything for granted. You know, you break that, you're going to have a hard time getting it replaced. Let me tell you, there's so many different kinds of lids. Okay, now are we done? Well, yes, but now I'm going to kind of make some adjustments on this old one. I'm going to put it in the old box, the new box here. I've got my instruction booklet. If you have a place where you keep all your instruction booklets and all your warranties and all that kind of stuff, you can put that with it. You can attach your receipt to this, let's say, and remember that it's got a 5-year warranty, or you could save the box and put everything in there, put the receipt in there. I'm going to put the old, at least the old toilet fill valve in there after I adjust the length of it and take the rubber hose off and stuff. But you do whatever you want. Once I get all this stuff moved, then yes, I am going to take my simple green, my sponge. I'm going to clean out a little bit of the toilet. I'm going to wipe this down. I'm going to wipe the floor down before I put all the stuff back. My little toilet brush, my spray, the toilet paper, the scale. I had a trash can, it was over there. I got a different floor mat, another floor mat. I took that out. Be all ready with all that stuff. Just take all that stuff and get it out of your way. You know what I mean? And I'll wipe all that down before I call it good. Okay? Remember that. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and I just don't know exactly what I'm going to make next, but you might want to stick around to find out.